Hi, this is Risa and welcome back to my kit review series. In this video, I'm going to introduce another satin ribbon embroidery kit designed and sold by Miss Konvalia in her Etsy shop. The link is provided below in the description. I bought this kit because I like the fact that the design combines elements of ribbon embroidery and beadwork. Let's see what the kit includes. So here is the design pattern, which is color-coded for the different stitch elements. And it also includes detailed instructions which lists the items in the kit and provides basic ribbon embroidery instructions for beginners. It's also followed by a step-by-step stitch guide including how to do the beadwork for the berries in the pattern. So this is really interesting as we're combining ribbon embroidery with beadwork. So here is the stitch guide and you can follow the pattern here. Now the kit also includes a nice good quality wooden hoop which is about the right size to cover the entire pattern, good quality gabardine material with the image of the pattern printed on the cloth. Now I like the fact that this is not an iron-on decal, which gives me the flexibility of what I can do with the embroidery piece. The kit includes 2 sets of black beads and 1 set of red beads, some needles, fishing wire for the beadwork, some white thread or floss, and here are the beautiful satin ribbons included with some colored floss, as you can see. So here, these are satin ribbons. Some of my other kit reviews have been with embroidery pieces using silk ribbons, and you can see the difference between silk here and satin. Satin being stiffer and shinier, and silk having a much smoother, softer look. So I just wanted to show you the difference between 2 kinds of ribbons, and here are the floss and some felt for backing when you've completed the embroidery kit. The size of the felt fits the size of the hoop, so that's really good because then you can use the embroidery hoop as a frame for wall art and use the felt as backing. What I didn't show you were the needles. So here are the different size needles for beadwork and ribbon work. So that's all for the kit review. If you're interested, here's a sneak peek of my stitch along video, and so you can follow along to this beautiful kit by Miss Konvalia, which is the 3rd kit that I've bought from her Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe, like, and notification buttons. See you again next time. Bye bye.